Hello, traders. Today is Friday, June 20th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we are on the 1 hour time frame, as you can see. So, anyways, the daily time frame did turn up recently this week. Now, what I have here is I have my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move up. I personally am only looking for longs because the daily time frame is telling me to look for longs right now. But the 1 hour time frame definitely does have what looks like a complete five waves up. And the 1 hour time frame also does have a breaker structure to the downside. So there's a good chance that we are in a pullback to the last wave up right now. This possibly could even go down and take out the low right here, but I would at least expect to see some sort of a three-way pattern down to maybe the 61 or the 78%. Then if it makes an impulsive engulfing move up at a fib level, that is what I would be looking for my next long. Like I said, I personally am looking for longs because the trend is up on the daily. And I mean, if you are a very short time frame trader, you can definitely justify looking for source. But for me, unless it goes all the way down here and breaks structure, this move down is very likely just a pullback to the last wave up. So I personally am definitely looking for logs at the end of three-way pullbacks and Fibonacci bounces. So, anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.